you get good appraisals, then chances of getting, if I would have studied more, I could have cleared. No, I did not want to take the chances. And I have seen some people who never took those chances today are doing very well. Hi everyone, Jai Mata Di. Today's topic is on how to become a chief engineer or captain in 8 years or 10 years. This is a question of every young person joining Merchant Navy. They want to do it fast. So I thought I'll share some stories or share some examples or share some points which will help you know this better. Well, first thing is, guys, join a shipping company. Try to join a shipping company where the waiting period is less. Because if the waiting period is more, then even if you want to sail, you won't be able to sail. If you want to be able to sail, how are you going to complete your sea time or going to give your promotional exams? If you don't give your promotional exams, Jai Mata Di, gone. Right? So waiting period matters. मुझे अभी भी पता है, I was sailing with Searland when I started my career initially. Or then there a time came when Searland was selling all their ships. So there was a time when the waiting period in company increased up to 8 months. I knew I could not survive there. I immediately switched over to other shipping company. Why? Because I knew if I'll have to wait, I will compromise on my career. I did not want to do that. So please, वो laid back attitude मत रखिएगा. Be true to your profession, not to the shipping company. It's simple. So for that, very important is don't have that laid back attitude. अच्छा वेटिंग पीरियड आराम कर लेते हैं, एंजॉय करेंगे, मजे करेंगे, अच्छा चढ़ा देगी, कोई टेंशन नहीं. ना, not gonna work. Second tip that I have for you is, guys, focus on your exams. जल्दी में initially what you can do is 12 months complete class 4 exam. Work hard on your exams. Make sure that you clear in the first or the second attempt, because each attempt that you are wasting, you are losing on a lot of important time as well as money. For me, it was always calculated time कि अगर मैंने एक attempt if I fail, I'll be losing 2 months. 2 months salary is like in lakhs. I'm losing a lot of money. I did not have that caliber to lose. So I always wanted to prepare as hard as possible. Results were a different thing, but I did not want to say काश यार मैंने 10 घंटे पढ़ाई कर ली होती, काश यार if I would have studied more, I could have cleared. No, I did not want to take the chances. And I have seen some people who never took those chances today are doing very well. So please, when it comes to your exams, be very proactive to complete your courses on time. Go for your exams ASAP. Focus on your exams so that you clear them ASAP. Very important part. I know some of my friends जिन्होंने इस चीज़ को follow नहीं करा. They took a lot of time clearing their exams. So you waste a lot of time. If you want to become a chief or captain early, you don't have a single moment to waste. Copy it? Third thing that is important is appraisal on ship. अगर आप शिप पे अच्छा परफॉर्म करते हो, you get good appraisals, then chances of getting ship becomes easy. So your waiting period reduces, and also most important thing is your chances of getting promoted on board becomes easy as well. Today the kind of market scenario that is, appraisals do matter. It's a fact. Waiting period less does matter. It's a fact. Clear your exams ASAP. That matters as well. So see, guys, this is Merchant Navy. Any profession has got a pyramid. Maximum rush is going to be down. Minimum rush is up. So please try to come out of this crowd ASAP. जल्दी से जूनियर इंजीनियर से 4th ईयर 3rd ईयर बनने की कोशिश करो. कम अप. One more advice is कि please do not take those heavy loans in the initial phase of your career. I remember one of my friends took a home loan of 1 crore rupees for a flat when he was a 3rd engineer. Now he had to sell continuously. Why? Because वो किस्तें देनी थी, बैंक की EMIs भरनी थी. So he was not being able to give his exams. So in the long run, if you see, he was at a loss. If you want to take heavy loans, do that when you become a 2nd engineer or a chief officer. That is where your salary increases and you can repay back the bulk amount ASAP. Copy it, guys. Thank you very much. In the end, all I can say is, if you have enjoyed the video, please like and share the video. Most importantly, subscribe the channel Merchant Navy Decoded. Comment your feedback. If you have any queries, please ask them as well. Please go through all the videos in the playlist section. They are going to be immensely helpful to you all. Jai Mata.